Hello my friends and welcome to the channel. Today I'm dressed in white. Why? Because we need a doctor for this. I've been in the mountains to do some bashing, jumps, run everywhere into the bobsleigh track, in the river and so on, and the jump section was the hardest. And this wonderful car had a lot of crashes. But despite the violence of the crashes, I have to say that she had minor injuries, like here on the body some little scratches. Here, this is, but nothing so terrible. Some scratches on my stickers, but overall it's in perfect conditions. The only three things that suffered injuries that broken are these, and this is very strange because it's very elastic and it's broken here, 1 and 2, and this is a 3D printed, and I don't trust so much in 3D, and I am right, they're not so okay. I can fix it with an aluminium band here with 2 screws. The other thing is this very useful and important mirror that well, this has to be fixed too. It's in plastic, it's broken here, it's broken here. But if you think at the violence of the crashes that suffered this wonderful car, this is nothing. Anyhow, let's go to the work. Comment, like and subscribe, please. Now we think at these two. And to mount, to fix these two, we have to do this. One. This is not very good. And 2. Here we have room enough. Some glue here, then we do a little aluminum piece with 2 screws. Okay, we leave it here. Now we need metal, not too thick but quite thick. This is perfect. And now screws. Can you help me? Do you find another one? Another one, just another one. This. Quite the same. I need a thinner one. Whoa, this is perfect. Okay, we have our 4 screws. Two millimeters. 2.5. Okay. And now this. Oh. Right. Okay, the mirror is fixed using this carbon roll with instant glue, and perhaps you can see where is the focus. 1 and 2. This is very solid. Now we can mount on the car. We have this, and we have also this. 2 little hole, screwdriver, and this is fixed. Perhaps. Yes. Okay. This is one. And this should be the second one. Okay, very nice. And now the other one. Stay there. Where is it? Here. Okay. Perfect. And now a touch of class. Now we can mount the tires. Okay. One, two, the nut. And do you remember, I have lost one wheel because one of this nut doesn't close. Which one was the wheel I've lost? This one. So we can mount this with this terrible wrench. And for the other one, the one I lost, I think it would be better to put a little bit of this. We mount the wheel. Okay. Then into the nut. I have to buy a new one. Okay. The blue one could be better, because perhaps this is a little bit too strong. I don't remember well. Right? Done. Boom. And this is it. We have fixed it. The doctor made his work. Oh, thank you very much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe. And up to the next with other cars and a lot of fun. Ciao a tutti!